Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peach sorbet. First, select about 2 pounds of ripe peaches, ensuring they are soft and fragrant. You will also need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. These ingredients form the perfect foundation for a refreshing and naturally sweet treat. Preparing them properly is key to achieving that delightful, smooth consistency we all love. Now, let's get those peaches ready. After peeling and pitting about 2 pounds of ripe peaches, slice them into 1-inch pieces. This makes them easier to blend smoothly. Next, prepare your simple syrup by combining 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat it gently over medium heat, stirring until all the sugar completely dissolves. Then, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool completely before the next step. With your peaches and syrup prepared, it's time to blend. Combine the sliced peaches, the cooled simple syrup, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice in a blender. Process until the mixture is perfectly smooth, ensuring no peach chunks remain. Then, pour this vibrant peach mixture into your ice cream maker. Churn it for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it reaches a delightful soft serve consistency, ready for the next step. Almost there. Once your sorbet has reached that lovely soft serve stage, transfer it into an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for at least 4 hours, allowing it to firm up completely. For the perfect scoop, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Enjoy this refreshing, homemade peach sorbet, perhaps garnished with a fresh mint sprig or a thin peach slice for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.